BEA 2013, and I'm going to talk with Rodney Elder, VP of Operations for virtusales. They are a new exhibitor this year at BEA. Hi, Rodney.
Hi there. So just to tell you a bit about virtusales, we provide software for publishers to manage their entire pre-press operation, from the initial contract with an author to establishing what rights they have, to then promoting the book, to be able to have bibliographic data in there, to manage their profit and loss estimates, to then manage their production cycle, what schedule tasks they need to manage. They then can have the Onyx feeds that are completed. We then have a digital asset management system that's integrated where they can store assets, whether they be video files, whether they be ebook files, whether they be digital files. They can then record all of their permissions that they've got for each of these assets and then be able to search across those. So if they, in about 3 years' time, want to be able to sell a right to something, they can clearly see whether they have permissions to do so. So what we do at the end of the process, once you've got your book ready to go, you can then send it out, Onyx feeds automated to any place you want, ebook feeds out to any place you want. So from a publisher's standpoint, all their data lives in a single place. If they update the description, change the title or change the price, they enter it once and it automatically feeds out everywhere. It's the same on their website, same on their Amazon site, same on Google site. Everything is centralized and there's deduplication of all of the manual keying in of data that publishers have to do.
So and you provide clean metadata that's across.
That's right.
All. Yeah.
That's right. And so how it helps. So we've had one client from Wayne State University Press, and they recently just said that they've increased print and ebook sales by 10% by being able to do two things. One, automate their Onyx feeds, and two, store more data. Mm-hmm. So they went from storing, say for some reference books, 2 authors, to now they're storing 50 contributors. All of those contributors are searchable. So if you have the same contributor part of 50 different books, your book will now be searchable across many different aspects. Mm-hmm. And so people need to send as much metadata out as possible to manage it. The key thing is, for many of the publishers though, is we've just done some new developments and it's about rights management. And the key thing is selling a right, tracking who you sold it to, have they paid you, when are the royalty statements due back, and we've now automated that process so you can send out automated emails to anyone you've sold rights to if you haven't received a royalty statement. And we've had publishing clients be able to increase their revenues because they're actually getting money in there. And so just like someone focusing on selling a book on a website, you need to give rights the respect that it deserves because it's income.
Yes. So, especially as all these new formats proliferate, you have so many licensing possibilities, and you need to know what you can do. Differentiation. How are you differentiated from the competition?
So for us, many ours is available on the web. So all you need is a website. If you can get internet access, you can have the same technology that our biggest clients, such as Penguin, Hachette, Random House, have. And then we've got smaller clients who are implementing the software. They can pick and choose the modules they want. And for us, we include all of the upgrades as part of that. So our clients can already send Onyx 3, where many of the biggest publishers in the world are struggling to get Onyx messages out in 3. Our smallest publishers with 2 or 3 users can do Onyx 3. So that's a differentiator, is we look after technology so that publishers can focus on publishing content. And that's as simple as that.
Thank you so much for talking with us.
No problem.